Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the heart of two-wheeled engineering. Today, we're diving deep into the rugged and refined Suzuki V-Strom 800DE, your next adventure companion. The Suzuki V-Strom 800DE boasts a muscular and assertive front view that instantly communicates adventure. Its tall stance, sculpted beak-style front fender, and high windshield create an aggressive yet purposeful appearance. The sharp lines of the front cowl blend seamlessly into the fuel tank, hinting at the bike's dual-sport capabilities. Suzuki's attention to aerodynamics and wind protection is evident in every curve. It has a commanding road presence that feels right at home both on city streets and dirt trails. You can tell this machine means business the moment you lay eyes on it. The V-Strom 800DE features vertically stacked LED headlights that cut through the darkness with pinpoint precision. These twin beams are not just about aesthetics. They provide excellent road illumination, increasing safety during night rides. The aggressive design of the lights complements the bike's front fairing, giving it a fierce, modern look. There's a noticeable uptick in visual identity compared to previous V-Strom models, making it instantly recognizable. The white DRLs add to its premium styling while enhancing visibility. Whether riding through fog or forest, these headlights are built to perform. At the rear, the LED taillights are sleek, compact, and sharply integrated into the tail section. Their high-mounted design not only aids visibility from a distance, but also adds a clean and minimalist appeal. They light up crisply with a defined glow, enhancing the modern aesthetic of the V-Strom 800DE. Whether braking hard or cruising steadily, these lights deliver clear signaling to traffic behind. It's also worth noting how Suzuki has managed to blend functionality and style here. The rear end feels tidy and premium without compromising utility. The V-Strom 800DE's exhaust system is tuned for both performance and sound. Its short, stubby silencer sits neatly on the right side, contributing to a balanced and compact rear profile. It emits a deep, throaty note that adds character without being obnoxious, perfect for long-distance riding. The heat shielding and overall finish speak to Suzuki's attention to detail. This exhaust doesn't just serve a mechanical function, it complements the bike's rugged personality. Whether throttling up a hill or idling at a stop, the exhaust tone is rich and rewarding. From the back, the V-Strom 800DE presents a tall and commanding figure, ready for off-road escapades. The wide rear tire, minimal fender, and elevated tail section give it a lean and athletic profile. The bike's stance looks stable and trail-ready, aided by its long-travel suspension. The taillight sits perfectly in line with the license plate holder and grab rails, keeping things symmetrical and clean. This angle also highlights the ergonomically designed pillion seat and rear rack. Whether you're carrying gear or a passenger, the back view assures functionality and style. The side profile of the V-Strom 800DE showcases its adventure touring DNA in full glory. The tall windscreen, angular bodywork, and upright posture all hint at comfort and capability over long rides. You'll notice the beautifully sculpted fuel tank and signature V-Strom decals that lend it a rugged yet premium look. The engine and chassis are tightly packaged, maintaining a lean center while hinting at raw power. Even the bash plate and frame protectors are well integrated, adding to its go-anywhere charm. Overall, the side views where form perfectly meets function. Equipped with 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels, the V-Strom 800DE is built to conquer mixed terrain. These wheels offer flexibility for both on-road and off-road adventures, thanks to their tubeless-compatible design. The gold anodized rims on select trims add a splash of contrast and style. Wrapped in Dunlop Trail Max mixed-door tires, the grip and durability are impressive on all surfaces. Whether you're gliding over gravel or leaning into a mountain curve, the wheel setup holds strong. Suzuki clearly prioritizes versatility with this configuration. Powering the V-Strom 800DE is a newly developed 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with a 270-degree crank. This setup offers strong mid-range torque and a characterful V-twin-like pulse. Delivering around 83 horsepower, it strikes a fine balance between highway cruising and off-road grunt. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and features a bidirectional quickshifter for seamless gear changes. It's also equipped with Suzuki's ride-by-wire throttle and multiple rider modes for tailored performance. Smooth, responsive, and reliable, this engine is built for exploration. The V-Strom 800DE features a 5-inch full-color TFT display that keeps all critical info front and center. The screen is bright, easy to read, and customizable to suit rider preferences. You can switch between riding modes, traction control settings, and trip info with intuitive toggle controls. The layout is clean, with excellent contrast and visibility in both bright sunlight and nighttime. Icons are large enough to monitor at a glance without taking your eyes off the road for long. It's a digital cockpit that enhances the modern riding experience. The Suzuki V-Strom 800DE is a rugged all-rounder ready to redefine your sense of freedom. If adventure calls, this machine is the answer. Subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews.